Welcome to another episode of Prime Morning, and today I'm going to just be taking you on a brief talk about the one lead system Pixar, which is the OLSP system. This is an affiliate marketing platform that offers diverse kind of products in which you can market for free and earn up to 80% commission. So I'm just going to be giving a briefing about what the platform is, how to earn from it, what they do, what you can do also or buy to earn you money consecutively without you working, without you stressing yourself or working yourself out. So that means I'm going to be dividing this particular video into two parts, to be training you guys on how you will make money with this platform doing nothing, and how you will make money with this platform doing nothing but also doing something. I hope you get. I'm sorry for that, but this platform is interesting. So, okay, the one lead system Pixar. Now, coming to this website, just go onto your browser and type olspsystem.com. Just as it's written here, olspsystem.com. So now, if you log into this platform, you register with your name and your email address, you subscribe to their Facebook page and some other stuff they'll ask you to do, you are eligible to two things. First, you are eligible to a boot camp. You're eligible to three things. You're eligible to a boot camp training where you will be trained everything about their platform, and you also even be offered a certificate of participation in the OLSP system. And with this, you get to also earn your first commission of $20 for participating in the platform. That's so sweet. They're starting with giving you money. They're giving you money for free. Just doing nothing. So after that, you're also eligible to join in all their live events. Like this right here is one of their events in which they are going to be having any particular day. So they do the 1 hour, 12 minutes. That is when the event starts. A live webinar where they'll teach you how to sell. And the funny thing about this webinar is that you can also make money through this webinar. I mean, make up to 80% commission for bringing someone into this webinar who is also going to potentially buy a product. See how big it is. Okay, so now let's go to our dashboard. Let me say something small about that. Now, in the OLSP system dashboard, there's something you call that is unique to you, just like your affiliate link is unique to you. So is the mega link unique to you. So everybody has their own unique mega link in which they used to invite people, and not just invite people to also sell a product. So this is it. Maybe you have a buyer, you have someone who wants to buy a particular product, and that product is also gotten here in the OLSP system, like the chart match. And the person says, okay, I want to buy the ChatMass product, is that, and you give him your mega link. Now, what the person is going to do is that the person is going to register into the platform through your mega link. And after registering to the platform, the person is going to purchase the product inside his own OLSP dashboard. This is what I mean. I mean, someone clicks, let's say, for instance, I copy this, Ctrl C, I bring it here, I paste it, Ctrl V, I'm going, and boom. This is just how it is. You put your primary email address. After putting your primary email address, you join. After joining now, the person is come back to this particular dashboard where he is now. You can now help him navigate to where he gets the product and buys the product. Now, when that person buys the product with your mega link, what happens is that you are eligible to a consistent commission. Now, what I mean by consistent commission is that anytime the person buys the product, you earn. Anytime he buys the product, you earn. You are eligible to a consistent commission for 1 year. 1 year straight up. 1 year commission, 80%. If the product costs $100, you are eligible to an $80 commission for 1 year. You can see how beautiful that is, right? Now, in the OLSP system, you're also giving points. You're also giving points, your points for login, your points for comments, your points for a particular month, your points for traffic, your points. There's so much points you are giving. So now, depending on how much time you log in, for every login per day, you are giving points. For every login per day, you are giving points. Now, this login could count up to a particular amount of money. This is what I mean. Let me show you something. You see this? There are up to 250 leaderboards. Now, this leaderboard are people who are earning points. Points for login, points for commenting on people's photos on Facebook, and points for doing so many other things. Points for signing up. You can see the first person here has about 7,735 points, and that person is eligible to $1,000. So, depending on how well you comment on people's listings, you log in every day, and so many other stuff, you are giving points. So, if you can build your points to a particular one, every month has their own leaderboard. Every month has their own leaderboard. So, if you can build your points faster, you could be eligible to this amount of money. Can you see that? That's so big about this platform. So big. So now we go into the next part of the platform. Now, everyone who comes into this platform must go through the training section. They call it the training unit. Now, this unit is to train you on their Pixel, what they do, how they help, the commissions they give, and so many other things, how to sell their products, and so many other things. They show you where to get the product. They show you how to market the product. They show you where to get the swipes in which you will use email marketing swipes, Facebook post swipes, anyone at all, which you will use to sell the product. So you get them all here. As you can see, I have completed my own 100% completed my own training, and I even have a certificate. Can I believe that? Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So now, inside the platform again, we have their product, which I'm going to be showing you. And after showing you this, we are going to end the class for today. And tomorrow, I'm going to be showing you other means in which you could make money with this platform. Now, inside this platform, you have products like the chat mart, the PPC, the link bypass, the commission lead machine, the VIP. Now, each of these products have their uniqueness and what they do. Some of these products are connected to a particular platform called Warrior Plus. I don't know if you've heard of them before, but some of their products are connected to Warrior Plus. So, like for the PPC here, pay per click, shortcuts, they pay you for every click, something like that. The chat mart profit, an automated kind of system that responds to messages online. So different products here have their own info. If you click info, they show you everything about the product, and if you say get access to the product, they take you to a particular page where you can buy the product. So you can see all their products inside here. Now, I want to just tell you a little bit about their traffic domination VIP product. Let's click info. Okay. Now, the OLSP. When you click info, they take you to a particular page where They tell you so many things about the product. They give you an introductory video, how the product works, and every kind of thing. So let's just say Unlock. I want to show you something very big about this particular product. Now, the OLSP VIP is a kind of, you know what the meaning of VIP is, man? Very important person. A kind of membership where you are taught Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, selling solo ads, becoming a solo ad selling, YouTube training, free and paid traffic strategy, W Warrior Plus product launching training, chatbot training, AdSense. They teach you basically so much things that you are going to learn for a very, very big amount of money online. You can see how good that is. And also, you are eligible to use some of the top products inside the platform, like their content gorilla, their social post magic, their TD pages, where you create landing pages for a particular, product or something like that. You create squeeze pages with the TD pages, the social post magic, where you can, post. You can post to different platforms at the same time, the same post at the same time. So any platform at the same time at all is connected to almost every social media platform you know about. So you're also eligible to the content gorilla and the income stream multiplier. So many good products inside, and you are getting all these for $297 per month. Just that. And you know the good thing about this, you're guaranteed to gain success. You are guaranteed to be paid. You are guaranteed 100% money back. Nothing like after you buy this product, you won't be taught, you won't be teased, and you're not guaranteed to get your money back. No. Within a short period of time, you are getting your money back. They are giving you 100%. What I'll just tell you to do is that when you see this, just go up and watch the introductory video about this, and I'm sure you love it. I'm sure you love the platform so much. Now, under the TD product, you still have the buy traffic. Under the TD product, you still have the buy traffic. Now, this is a kind of another way in which you can earn money from their platform. You can see that you have an introductory video. All their products have an introductory video. That's one big thing about this platform. So you use your unique link here to earn money. Use your unique link to earn money. They said there, use your unique tracking link below to earn commission from people buying solo ads through this site. For explanation, click the blue button, easy way to earn commission. Let's try something now. I've never entered here. You see, they give you a video, an introductory video of how this works. So this platform is so good. This platform is so nice. So let's go into another aspect, which is the TD link. Now, inside the TD links, you get your promotion links and you get your resources. Like, okay, let's say for the ChatMart profit, I copy this link or I click on it. It gives me all the resources I need to sell the product. It gives me the email swipe. Look at it. Very wonderful email swipes to send to your leads inside of the platform, people who registered under you, to show them how interesting and how wonderful the product is, and they should buy it. And if they buy, you're eligible to 80% commission. You can see they give you the videos, they give you the graphics to use. You basically don't have to stress yourself. Like other affiliate platforms, you have to create the graphics by yourself. You have to do so many other things by yourself. But here, they give you everything and they take one sell with us. So see you. So you can see they actually give you all the resources you need and everything you need to actually market the product. They give you the image swag, they give you the Facebook post and everything. And also inside this particular area, you get a promotion link. A promotion link different from your OLSP mega link, but each of them are interconnected in a way you can find out that the number in your mega link is also found in your product link, your product promotion link. So, okay, let's say for instance you send someone this particular product link. Since the person is interested in Chatmart Profit product and wants to buy, so you send him or her the promotion link, and the person picks it in, clicks on it, boom, it takes the person to a landing page in which the person can buy the product inside of the Warrior Plus landing page platform. This is just exactly how it works, exactly how it works. So wonderful and so nice. So let's go into the next thing inside of PD products. We have the training replay. Now, inside the training replays, you get a chance to watch, previous webinars that has been carried out. Maybe webinars you are not opportune to meet, webinars you are not opportune to watch. You still have a chance to watch them. Okay, let's say the biggest update ever in OLSP, the mega link funnel. You open it. You are still there to watch this wonderful webinar of how to create a mega funnel, and how to create a very wonderful mega funnel. So you're still eligible to this stuff, the free webinar that has been held. Now the next part of the 3D product is the comment dominator. This now inside the comment dominator, what you do here is that you comment on people's Facebook posts in order to earn points. Yeah, and you know what points are? Points could accumulate into a particular amount of money depending on how big and how large your points is. You are eligible to a very, very big amount of money, and each month the leadership board changes. So let's say you go into your inbox, inside the OLSP system, and these are posts. These are posts inside the OLSP system that you just have to comment in. And for every comment you give, you earn points. You type just great photo. Boom. Click on post, it updates, and for that you earn 1 point. Now you will go click on this page to go right to the Facebook post and then comment inside the Facebook post and earn a point. So you can see how sweet this system is. You a lot of way to earn, a lot of way to make money. Now they made it much more interesting in the comment dominator to also create the comment domination pro. Now inside the comment domination pro, you come into it with a particular amount of money. When you click upgrade to comment dominator pro, then they are going to show you how much you come in with. Now for every comment inside the comment dominator pro, you get to earn money. You get to earn for every comment 0.25 cents. For every comment 0.25 cents. Now imagine accumulating 0.25 cents for the amount of posts or comments they give per day. Imagine calculating that and putting it per month. You are going to be seeing a very huge amount of money inside there. A very huge amount of money. And this money you can withdraw it to your account, withdraw it to your PayPal account, or anywhere at all. So you can see how sweet the platform is. can see how sweet the platform is. Let's go to the next area inside of the PD product, which is another very wonderful feature. You have the checklist and lead magnet. Now, inside the checklist and lead magnet, they give you a kind of checklist. Maybe you're an affiliate marketer, you're an email marketer. They give you a checklist to create a perfect email marketing system. What you have to do, what you have to follow up with, what you have to tick, everything you have to put in place to create it. So it's just like a document in which you check, you know the way it works. You do one particular thing, attention, grabbing headline, check, sub headline, blah blah blah, check. All this kind of stuff so that you won't, misplace something for another. So they give you a step by step checklist in which you can use. So you can see how wonderful and how great the OLSP system is. Now, on tomorrow's lesson, I'm going to be showing you other means you can use to earn money with this platform that you don't necessarily have to promote a product or buy a product or something like that. All you just have to do is subscribe into a particular part of the platform and start earning money from it directly. Some you do it doing nothing, and some you do it doing just something small, just typing something, commenting, things like that. So they have vast ways. And also in the next training, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate your Warrior Plus with the OLSP system. So that just in case you are selling a product inside of Warrior Plus that is in OLSP system, and maybe a person buys the product or anything like that happens, you are actually going to earn your commission inside of the OLSP system. So without any further ado, I urge you to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button to get notified on our newest video, and have a nice and wonderful day, guys. Thanks again.